The management of AFOS organized an enlightening event that showcased the immense power of artificial intelligence. The session began with a deep dive into the world of AI. Language models and AI tools took center stage as the attendees were introduced to their transformative capabilities.
बच्चों को टॉप लेवल का AI ई-कॉमर्स एक्सपर्ट बना। लैंग्वेज मॉडल के साथ काम करते हैं तो करते क्या है, करते कैसे? असल साइंस ये है, आपको सिर्फ एक चीज़ आने की जरूरत होगी और वो है प्रॉम्प्ट करना।
The audience listened attentively, eager to discover the possibilities that lie ahead. The knowledgeable presenter skillfully shared insights, demystifying the intricacies of AI, and shedding light on its practical applications. Questions started pouring in as the audience eagerly participated in the Q&A session, seeking clarity and understanding. Attendees were quick to express their appreciation for the session. They commended the AFOS management for organizing such an informative event, providing a platform to delve into the potential of AI. The session at AFOS, New Malir, truly allowed people to discover the power of AI. With newfound knowledge and inspiration, they left the event empowered, ready to embrace the endless possibilities that lie at the intersection of technology and human ingenuity.